Hi everyone, my name is Joe. I'm from Indonesia and I'm one of the tutors from the College of International Relations Writing Tutorial Program. Now, just in case you haven't heard of the Writing Tutorial, it's basically a program that is dedicated to helping students on how to write a good academic paper in English. So, if you have any questions about APA style referencing, essay structure, grammar, argument formation, or just anything else that has to do with writing an essay, you can always come to the tutorial for advice. And you don't always have to come with a complete essay. You can come with just an outline, or even if you just want to sit down and discuss your ideas with us, we will be more than happy to assist you. So, good luck with the rest of your semester. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing you at the writing tutorial. Bye.
Hello everyone, my name is Isabel Cabaña. I'm from Chile and I am a PhD student in the Graduate School of International Relations, second year, and I would like to invite you all to participate in the academic writing tutorial program that the College of IR is offering to all of you. There, in the sessions, students like us will try to advise you and guide you in the academic writing process. Maybe if you have issues regarding organizing a paper, organizing the structure, citation, reference, or how to convey in a better way the message that you want to transmit in a paper, you can come to us in the tutorial and we will try our best to help you. So we are looking forward to meet you all. Bye.